I thought they banned drugs on cruise ships.
They could tell that we were not happy. They are completely understaffed.
Marley says that it's trash.
She didn't have a seat for dinner.
Welcome to day 2 of Utopia of the Seas. Today we are in Nassau, Bahamas. I'm Matthew.
I'm Marley, and our little Maisie's over there on the bed.
We are going to explore the kids area, the water features.
I want to try and do the zip line.
We hope you stick around. We'll also be featuring a giveaway later in this video, so keep watching to find out the details.
Okay, so we're waiting outside of AO Babies, which is Adventure Ocean Babies. We came here on the first day, and on the first day they allow you to book 7 hours throughout your cruise to make room for all the parents and their babies. However, on day 2 you can come back and see if there's any additional hours you can book. So that's what we're doing here today, just to see if there's anything else. Royal Caribbean needs to do better with their app. They need to have scheduling online just to relieve some of these workers, because it's one person doing everything, and moms are mad that they're waiting in line, they're running late, they're late for pickup, they don't want to get charged extra. It's kind of a show in there.
Y'all, we haven't done one of these in a minute, but this is worthy of a fit check.
The things we do for our children.
So we're here at Splashaway Bay, and they have a wonderful slide that Maisie has gone down about 50 times so far. They have all these different like little water features. You got to really be careful if you're walking around here. You're going to get sprayed with water. Just be ready for that.
And the water's warm for the babies.
It's just a really nice setup over here.
And I'm just out here looking ridiculous in this big bathing suit.
Quick note for Splashaway Bay, they have 2 separate areas. One is an area where if the kids have swim diapers and everything, they can be, and that's obviously where we're at with Maisie. But then they have a whole entire other separate area with like some bigger slides and like some obstacles that they can like climb upon. But your kids have to be 100% toilet trained, no diapers allowed in that pool. Still a lot of really great options here on Utopia of the Seas for the little ones. If you did not check out our part 1 of this series here on Utopia of the Seas, I do a whole entire gym walkthrough. It's pretty extensive, so check that out. So we're here at Loco Fresh, which is the grab and go option right on floor 16. Marley says that it's trash. I can say that I think it's actually pretty good. Everything is nice and hot. There's a good variety, and their salsa station, unlike Carnival, for instance, has like guacamole and a lot of different options. The quality of the food is really good in this option. Like, this is better than the main dining room food, in my opinion. So they got soft tortillas, pulled pork, chicken carnitas, beef carnitas. This is the rice that Marley was saying is a no-go. Black beans, and then they also have these like pre-made chicken burritos and beef burritos, pre-made chicken quesadillas and cheese quesadillas. Then they got a little bit of a nacho situation over here too. So you can also get your sweet tooth taken care of here at El Loco Fresh. They also have fresh fruit here at El Loco Fresh, along with tres leches, which stands for
3 milks.
3 milks. All right, so here's my $1 billion idea, probably more of a $1 million idea. There are 5 ships in port with us today. There's 2 Carnival ships, a Disney ship, us. I think that makes 5. Anyways, in order to get more business for these ships, you should be able to do like a walking tour. If you're on like the Utopia of the Seas, you can go look at the Disney Wish. Or if you're on the Disney Wish, you can come like do a walk tour of Utopia of the Seas. That way you get a good idea of what the ship is like before you book it. It would be like a guided tour, and all the cruise lines wins it at that point. So there's my idea.
Welcome to day 2 dinner. I have not looked at the menu. Gonna be surprised again. Maisie is trying to take a nap, so I'm hoping that she does and we can just enjoy dinner. I'm hoping it's better than yesterday.
I echo exactly what Marley said. I hope that dinner is better than yesterday. I will say that even though the dinner was subpar, the service has been great. And our servers, Godwin and Alberto, have been incredible. So that's why we came back tonight. Fingers crossed, we'll see. So the starters, we got green lentil soup, Asian style pork bao tacos, baked French onion soup, Caesar salad, tofu and avocado salad, crispy coconut jumbo shrimp. The main courses got the tiger shrimp, Caribbean style chicken, jerk pork chop, New York strip steak, which is what I had yesterday, pesto, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, stuffed grilled eggplant, grilled chicken breast, and rustic chicken korma. You also do have your premium selections as well, and an array of desserts. So we will see what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. All right, we got the French onion soup, and it looks ooey gooey delicious. Marley.
We have the pork bao tacos and the crispy coconut shrimp. Everything looks great.
Those are some fat shrimpies.
Okay.
And Maisie's eating some bread, but her mac and cheese is coming. Her veggie sticks are already here. Everything looks good. But it looked good yesterday too.
We got Caribbean chicken with some dumplings, plantains, rice, and beans.
Is she about to take one bite of that?
Yep.
And you already know. It's a steak.
So dinner was good. Could have been better. As you see right here, I got a little wiggly wobbly girl because she didn't have a seat for dinner. So I've had to hold her the entire time for dinner. So she enjoyed her dinner, but I was not able to enjoy mine.
I will say that Alberto, our server, has promised us for tomorrow that there will be a chair here. He said he had one there, and it just wasn't there once we got here. So I am confident that we will have a chair ready for tomorrow.
So they could tell that we were not happy. We didn't make a big deal about it, of course. There is a lot of kids on the ship, so we do understand it just kind of sucked. But they did invite us to a private galley where we're going to see the kitchen and how it works and maybe a private breakfast. We're not sure. It was really loud in there, and she's loud, so I couldn't understand exactly what we're getting ourselves into, but it's 9:45 tomorrow morning. And you'll be able to see that in part 3 of our video, so stay tuned.
All right, she navigated it. Look at Bear. Oh, okay. Do you love him? Give him a kill.
All right, so we witnessed someone fall and break her arm yesterday, which is terrible. So we're gonna go deliver her a duck because she posted in our cruise group that it would make her day if someone delivered her a duck. So that's what we're doing. So I put your friends at Portholes and Pixie Dust YouTube. All right, y'all, so we just ran into some people that follow us, Sharita and Michael. It was so nice meeting you both. We hope you have a wonderful time on your first Royal Caribbean cruise. I know that we're having a great time, so it was really cool running into people.
All right, I know it's super nerdy, but there is the ship's coin, which says Utopia of the Seas and the year and all that stuff, and I'm trying to find it. I know it's in Central Park, but I don't know where.
Look up there.
Oh, that's a pretty good.
And then we just walked away.
All right, so if y'all saw our part 1, Mommy got to take Maisie on the carousel yesterday, and I guess she held on like a big girl. It's no problem at all. So I'm gonna give that a try as well. And we're gonna ride the carousel. Maisie's gonna ride the carousel with Daddy.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Say hi to Mommy. Royal Caribbean, you're selling me here, okay? Because I know there's not a lot of things for Maisie to do here, but this carousel, she's gonna want one of these now because she loves the carousel. And as parents, I love it too when she's enjoying herself. Let's go check out the kids shop. We're here in the kids shop, which is located right inside the boardwalk area. And they have a lot to choose from. It's a bit on the expensive side, if I'm being honest. $35 for a onesie. But really good selection, a lot of plushies, a nice mix of Royal Caribbean and Perfect Day at Coco Key merchandise. So now Marley's going to shoot some B-roll of everything. All right, I thought they banned drugs on cruise ships. Apparently not for the pricing inside that place. Anywho, the line behind me right now is to get into the Aqua Show, which does require reservations. And we have reservations for tomorrow night, right? For the Aqua Show. So we will be in this line tomorrow night. But the Aqua Show is a cannot miss on Royal Caribbean's Oasis class ships.
All right, guys, so for our giveaway, our 7-part series, all you have to do to enter to win is leave a comment on the videos. To better your chances, leave a comment on every video. And what are you winning? You're winning this monochrome Royal Caribbean bag. I thought this was pretty cute. We will announce the winner at the end of our 7-week video series. We just booked Star of the Seas inaugural cruise 2025.
That next cruise offer is great. So basically, we were looking for the cheapest possible way to get on Star of the Seas for the inaugural cruise for all of you guys, so you could see that great content. And it turns out that a balcony room is actually cheaper than the inside cabin. So we were able to secure it for under $5K, which is pretty nice. And because we booked on board, they'll adjust that price all the way up to the final payment date. I can't wait to deliver that content to all of you here on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see that a year from now. Oh my gosh, it seems so far away, but I know it's going to be here so quickly. So we're at All In, which is the production show here on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. And this is unlike any other show. I understand, I'm going to turn it off. All right, let's try this again. So the All In show started all a little bit slow, but it was really good, especially the drones, that footage. I hope you really enjoyed that piece. And you got to meet a Karen. So our first Karen here on the Utopia of the Seas, who claimed that she was a lawyer and said that we weren't able to film, and she said that she was going to sue us. So I hope you see this video and then just send us an email to portholesandpixiedust with the court summons. See you there, Karen. Marley, I don't think we're gonna make 11:15, but I wanted to get some footage of the Royal Promenade Decades Party. So we're here at the Rising Tide Bar.
We are. And I have Chanel blush on my face.
Yes, everybody make sure you comment down below how great the blush looks. I think this is like my 8th or 9th drink of the night. And I have to say that I am not feeling it at all. And we're about to shut it down. I'm mostly doing this because I had an espresso martini in part 1, day 1, to see if it's any different. Alcoholic chocolate milk, same thing. They said she was dancing. I can't see to verify it. In part 3, if you're starting at this part in the series, go back and watch part 1. We'll put it right here so you can check that out. I'm Matthew.
I'm Marley.
And we really appreciate y'all being here. Maisie's right back there.
It's time for bed, y'all.
See you tomorrow.